Hello, welcome back. I'm Matthew, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. In this video, we will be installing a plugin called Elementor. I came up with the plan for my slow internet, and the plan is whenever I feel like a page is taking some time to load, what I will do, I will always pause the video and then come back again. Very important to note, when I'm coming back again, I'm just going to continue from where I have left. I'm not going to always update you and say that okay, I'm back again. So I hope that is clear, so that I cannot forcefully end the video, whereas in my mind I had a different plan. I think that is going to inconvenience me and also you as somebody who's watching. So let's just quickly go to plugins. Where are the plugins? Okay, here are the plugins. Let's add new plugin. Let's add a new plugin. I think this one is fast. Okay, let's search for Elementor here. Okay, add plugins, new plugin, Elementor. Let's just search. Okay, there is also an option where you can upload an offline plugin, meaning that you can go to a certain website and maybe you can download that plugin and then you can install it offline. So this is where you will go, click here, and then you will upload your zip file. Okay, so this is Elementor. Let's click on it. Oh, okay. Let's just click update now and see. I was hoping I'm going to see install, so I'm assuming that this plugin was already installed in a way, so that's why there's just a need to update it, because if it was not installed, then it will mean that I will have to install like this. There will be this button, install now. So since that button is not there, I would like to assume the plugin has already been there. So let's just quickly confirm that. Okay, let's just go to plugins, and then we will check there in the list of plugin if that plugin is there. Okay, let's check. As you can see, Elementor is there. There are some other plugins that we don't really need, so let's just delete them. See, because with this web development and web design, you must always work on a clean slate, because if you've got things that you don't really know what they are doing in the background, we might take time trying to solve a problem, whereas maybe the problem has been caused by a plugin that we are not really aware of what it's doing. Okay, yes, I want to delete the selected plugin. Okay, but action, delete. Okay, this one looks like let me just deactivate it. Okay, let me just deactivate it and then delete. Let's see what will happen. Okay, delete it. Let's see. You are about to remove the following plugin. Are you sure? I'm not sure. Maybe this plugin is important. I don't know why it's taking some time or giving me the tough time to delete it, but finally we've deleted it. So thank you so much for watching. We have installed Elementor and also we've installed Astra. That is it for this video. Please do me a favor, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, please just share this video with your friend, maybe on Facebook or in whatever platform, just to help me grow. Otherwise, see you on the next video.